Puneet's debut film in I Hate Love Stories, and this is the team coming back. Of course, we've had a successful film with Imran and Kareena as well, so it's a great combination of three factors coming together: Imran, Kareena and Puneet, and of course Puneet's entire team that has worked extensively to put this product out in November this year. So to everyone in the production and direction and the technical team of Gauri Tere Pyar, give all your love and support. I'm not, but the director I think forgot to wear something over this, and they definitely didn't coordinate it. It was a happy accident.
Well, actually what excited me most was that we're going to be shooting in a village. I mean, I don't think I've ever done a film which is where actually I go to a village and I'm from there. So that's part excited me a lot. And of course, I mean, working with Puneet, he's young and fresh, a nice idea. And of course, Imran, and not Karan.
जो मेरे अंदर है personally.
Avantika is not here. She can answer that question very well.
She's actually the better one to ask. The dialogue क्या था? Lazy हूँ, बोर क्या?
Lazy हूँ, नकारा हूँ.
Lazy हूँ, नकारा हूँ.
In fact, मेरे अप्पा यहाँ होते तो he would have said.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Every time we've done a film, whether it's Jab We Met or Three Idiots, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, any film, the looks have always been iconic, and I'm hoping that in this film also, like you said, we've never done these kind of Bandhani Kurta. She's actually in a small town in Gujarat, so he's kind of sourced the stuff from there. So I hope people like it, and also because Manish and Puneet are brothers, so it makes this film even more special.
We seriously tortured him through the making of this film. I think he had to come up with 1,000 different looks by the time we zeroed in on one. So it was a process. It went through a real process.
Manish has always been very troubled when he works with us.
Yes, he is.
Because Manish's personal taste is that everything should be very, very nice. Everything should be very perfectly ironed. And Puneet and I like to take costumes and ragdow them.
I think Manish is most upset that we repeated so many clothes in the costume.
Manish hates repeating clothes also.
I promise you, after 50% of the film, we threw him out of the set. We didn't allow him.
Come back with a vengeance, yeah. Last time she didn't fall for me. This time I've come back with a vengeance with a mission. This time I have to get
Hi Karan, how
Really,
are you?
audience is in support of this. Very good. चलो, सब मेरे साथ हैं.
ऐसे सपने क्यों बेचते हैं जो लोग खरीद ना सके? I really love the promo, but real life में कभी आपने देखा है ऐसा होता है कोई लड़का अपना सारा काम छोड़ के गांव में शिफ्ट होने के लिए तैयार हो जाए एक लड़की के लिए?
That's the point of film.
मैं किसी को गांव से ले आऊं, तुम गांव में चले जाओगी करीना, तो मैं भागे भागे आ जाऊंगा तुम्हें लेने, क्योंकि वो गांव तुम्हें सूट नहीं करेगा. तुम अब रॉयल्टी हो, अब रॉयल्टी का वो गांव में क्या काम? Just to answer your question, सपने बेचना ही हमारा काम. वही मैं बेचना चाहता था. बचपन में मैं ये चाहता था कि I would be a filmmaker, I would make sell dreams, and exactly what I do. तो बहुत हर चीज बहुत believable है. I think, in fact, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ कि जो reality है वो fiction से भी ज्यादा अद्भुत कभी-कभी improve होता है. तो I'm not sure stories in the world are like this. हम थोड़ा बहुत exaggerate करते हैं for entertainment. That is what films are all about. Sell dreams, music, happiness. And that is what I think गोरी तेरे प्यार में strength is that. जब आप जाओगे पिक्चर देखने तो आप हर अपने प्रॉब्लम को भूल सकते हो कि और उस दुनिया में खो जाओगे. प्यार है, म्यूजिक है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, and eventually इन दोनों की प्रेम कहानी आपको छू जाती है. And that is what our films are all about. That you go with the flow of love, emotion and music. Actually, this has happened. I have to say that today we're finally making a revelation. Very few people, somebody had asked really whether things like this happen, कोई सपने बेचता है. But very honestly, this is a true story. This has happened to Puneet.
That's true.
And he did actually lose the relationship as a result of it. He tried to pursue this girl. He crossed a few parts of this country to reach the heartland to woo this woman. And she's now married and settled with children. But
कहीं ना ऊपर सोलो